Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of webcams, specifically reviewing them for video calls and content creation. In today's digital age, a good webcam is essential. Whether you're a remote worker, a student, or a content creator, your webcam is your window to the world. So, let's explore what makes a great webcam. First up, resolution. This is the number of pixels your webcam can capture. We're looking for at least 1080p, also known as Full HD. This provides clear, crisp video quality that looks professional. 4K webcams are available and offer even sharper images, but they also require more bandwidth and processing power. Consider your needs and internet speed when choosing. Next, let's talk about frame rate. Frame rate refers to the number of images displayed per second, measured in frames per second, or FPS. A higher frame rate results in smoother video. Aim for at least 30 FPS for a natural-looking video. Some webcams offer 60 FPS, which is ideal for fast-paced content like gaming or action videos. Then, we have the field of view, or FOV. This determines how much of the scene your webcam captures. Most webcams offer a range of FOVs. A wider FOV, like 90 degrees or more, is good for fitting more people in the frame or showing more of your environment. A narrower FOV, like 70 degrees, is better for a more focused shot. Another crucial factor is the built-in microphone. A good microphone is essential for clear audio. During video calls and recordings, look for webcams with built-in noise cancellation technology to reduce background distractions. Some webcams also offer stereo microphones for a more immersive sound experience. Connectivity is also important. Most webcams connect via USB. Make sure your webcam is compatible with your computer's USB ports. Some webcams also offer USB-C connectivity, which provides faster data transfer and is becoming more common. Check for ease of setup and compatibility with your operating system. Autofocus is a great feature that keeps your image sharp as you move around. This is especially useful if you're presenting or moving around in front of the camera. Many webcams have automatic exposure and white balance, adjusting the image based on the lighting conditions. Consider additional features. Some webcams have built-in privacy shutters to physically block the lens when not in use. Others offer software that allows you to adjust the camera settings, like brightness, contrast, and color. Software can also include features like virtual backgrounds or face tracking. Now, let's talk about some popular webcam brands. Logitech is a well-known brand, offering a wide range of webcams for different budgets and needs. Razer is another popular brand, especially among gamers, known for its high-performance webcams. Microsoft also offers webcams, often integrated with their software ecosystem. Other brands to consider include Anker and Dell. When choosing a webcam, consider your specific needs. What will you primarily use it for? How important is video quality to you? What's your budget? Do your research, read reviews, and compare different models to find the best webcam for you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of webcams, perfect for video calls and content creation. Whether you're connecting with loved ones, working remotely, or creating videos for your audience, a good webcam is essential. Let's explore what makes a great webcam. First, let's talk about resolution. You'll often see resolutions like 720p, 1080p, and even 4K. Generally, the higher the resolution, the sharper and more detailed your video will be. 1080p is a great starting point, offering a good balance between quality and performance. If you want the best possible image quality, 4K webcams are available, but they require a powerful computer and a fast internet connection. Next up, frame rate. Frame rate, measured in frames per second, or FPS, determines how smooth your video looks. A higher frame rate results in smoother motion. For video calls, 30 FPS is usually sufficient. However, for content creation, especially if you're recording fast-paced action, You might want a webcam that supports 60 FPS. Then, there's the lens. The lens quality significantly impacts image clarity and sharpness. Look for webcams with glass lenses rather than plastic ones, as glass lenses typically offer better image quality. Also, consider the field of view, or FOV. A wider FOV captures more of your surroundings, which can be great for group video calls or showing off your background. A narrower FOV is better if you want a more focused view of yourself. Another important factor is autofocus. Autofocus keeps your image sharp and clear, even if you move around. It's a must-have feature for content creators. Some webcams also have built-in microphones. While these can be convenient, their audio quality is often not as good as that of a dedicated microphone. If audio quality is important to you, consider using an external microphone. Lighting also plays a vital role. Even the best webcam will struggle in poor lighting conditions. Make sure your face is well lit. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, use a ring light or softbox to illuminate your face evenly. Finally, let's talk about connectivity. Most webcams connect via USB. Make sure your computer has a USB port that's compatible with your webcam. Some webcams also offer USB-C connectivity, which can provide faster data transfer. There are also wireless webcams available, which give you more freedom of movement. So, when choosing a webcam, consider resolution, frame rate, lens quality, autofocus, microphone quality, lighting conditions, and connectivity options. Take the time to research different models and read reviews. With the right webcam, you'll be ready to make professional-looking video calls and create engaging content. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.